Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Boshi Style. Now I have visited another very marvelous landscape in Sri Lanka. If I tell you the exact location of this place, this is somewhat close to the city of Alla, which is another popular tourism city. The name of the place where I am in now is called the Ravana Waterfall. This is 82 feet in height. In every country, in every culture, there are like folktales kind of things which are coming from generation to generation. So in my country also, in Sri Lanka, there are a lot of such folktales, and among those, the story of the Ramayana is always getting an important place. Oh, you might be thinking, why I mentioned that at this place? Yes, exactly. There is a reason for that. This waterfall behind me, if you remember the name, this Ravana Waterfall is associated with that story in the Ramayana. In the Ramayana, it is said that the King Ravana came to this place and used the nearby caves of this Ravana waterfall for hiding purposes. Anyhow, without any doubt, I can say that this is a place you must visit if you come to travel in this city of Alla in the Badula district in Sri Lanka. So today I brought you one of the best examples to say Sri Lanka is not just an island, this is a paradise. This is the end of my today's video. If you have still not subscribed my YouTube channel, please subscribe me and do not forget to click the bell button below to get the notifications of my latest videos. Till we meet with our next vlog, keep in touch. Take care. Bye bye.